Okay, class, so today we're going to go ahead and be finding the midpoint of segments. So let me begin. A is the midpoint of segment BC. Find X and the measurement of AB and AC. The keyword is midpoint. They tell me that A is the midpoint. So if I use common sense and logic, if A is right in the middle, then the left is equal to the right side. So what we do in geometry is we mark it. We put a little mark there and another one there to say that these two are congruent. Congruent means the same in geometry. Same size and shape. Okay? So then what I need to do is I need to solve for x by using algebra and setting up an equation. Okay? So again, the left equals the right. So when I set up my equation, I'm going to set up 3x plus 6 equals 2x plus 14. Why did I do this? Because A is the middle, so the left equals the right. So then what I do is I need to isolate the x. So the easiest thing to do is to subtract 2x from both sides. That will cancel the x on the right side. 3x's take away 2, I have 1x left, bring down the 6, the plus 6, bring down the 14. Next, we subtract 6 from both sides. X comes down. 14 take away 6 equals 8. So I have one of my answers. X equals 8. That's one of my answers, okay? Now, we also want AB. And we also want AC. So what I do for AB is I take 8 and I plug it in, okay? So we're going to go to the left side and plug it in. That would be AB. So 3 times 8 plus 6. 3 times 8 plus 6 gives me 30. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. 2 times 8 plus 14. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 14 is 30. Notice that we got the same answer, and that's good. We got the same answer because A is right in the middle, so the left has to equal the right, okay? If you still have additional questions, you can always log into your, you can always find your teacher during their virtual hours. Thank you so much, and do the following assignment. And there's one more example coming up, and once you do that, you do the assignment and you're done for the day. Thank you.